I know the video doesn't do it justice, but we just had a blizzard come upon us, and it's snowing so hard I can barely see 2 feet in front of me. I don't know what the hell I'm doing out. I don't know where I'm going, or I just had to get out. I don't feel comfortable there. So wish I had somewhere to sit this. I do have a thing that I got, but haven't figured out how it works yet. Wow. Can you make that out? I'm trying to get where it's weird how it doesn't show up on the video that way. Is it snowing so damn hard? Let's see. Can you see it? Let me roll down the window. Let me see if you can see it like this. I can't see if anything's coming or not. Hope not. Can you see it now? No, you can't see it. Wish I had that back windshield washer. Hey, it's coming down, boys. It's coming down. You just can't make it out, though. That's what's weird. You can't make it out. Man, people are snowed in already and shit. It's crazy. Where in the hell am I going? I don't know. I know I need something to drink. It's my birthday, my 55th birthday today. So I'm thinking about going somewhere. I'm sure I shouldn't, but well, I can't see a damn thing. I'm sure I shouldn't, but here I go. Hope I don't get stuck. Probably kind of foolish to be out and stuff. Probably kind of foolish, isn't it? Probably gonna be too many people out. I need to get this all defrost here. Yeah. Well, if you can see, very far in front of me. We're gonna go check it out. I wonder if I should turn my fog lights off, or should I leave them on? I don't know. Yeah, leave them off. Can't see. I can't even see the damn road, man. Whoa, I shouldn't be out. I'm gonna end up getting stuck. I can't see. Damn. I'm gonna get stuck. I better turn around. I'm just gonna go down and get a soda. I'm not trying to go to Toledo tonight. I can't see. Why am I not getting the fucking defrost? Can't see, my windshield wipers are frozen or something.